Check this out. This is the Sleep Restoration Down Alternative Comforter / Duvet. And this is perfect because it is reversible too, and they also come in different reversible colors as well. This is in gray and burgundy red, but they have different colors as well as different sizes too, from twin all the way to king. And I just love it. This is a down alternative, so it's gonna be more hypoallergenic, and it's also, the best part, machine washable and dryable too. Now, as I mentioned, it is also a duvet. So there's loops here throughout the corners, so you're able to attach it to a duvet cover. And if you want, you can also use it as a comforter with a top sheet as well. And this is great for both warmer months as well as cooler months too. I was sent this from Sleep Restoration to evaluate, and I love it. It is so squishy and really soft microfiber too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful. Sweet dreams!